I'm in a room by myself and I sneeze. Am I supposed to say God bless me? What's up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Years of Snore. And I make that content that's guaranteed to put you to sleep. On our way to a place called RiverWalk. It's either a restaurant or a brewery, but yeah, we're just crossed over. We're in PA now, riding through some cornfields and really nice roads. It's the last full week of September. Boy, time is really flying. I'm out with Nico and the one, the only Ray. You couldn't ask for a nicer day. It's like 69, 70 degrees. I mean, look. I tell you, the scenery up here really is something else. I think he said it's about a 2-hour ride, so I'd say we probably got another 60 minutes. Just hit 5,196 miles on Big Sheila. I purchased her February of this year, 2025. She is a 2024. Last year made in America. So I believe this is going to drop this Friday coming up, which is the last Friday of September. That Sunday is the 4th Sunday of the month, and me and the boys are going to Bikes and Breakfast at Pagoda Press in Pagoda, New Jersey. Have some coffee and go ride, because this week looks like crap. It's going to rain every day, including Saturday, and then Sunday's the reprieve. I tell you, this year is flying by. The year prior, I was unemployed. I had gotten laid off, and I said in a bunch of videos, I got laid off while I was doing chemo. And the job market sucks, and it took me a year and 2 months to get a full-time job. And 2 days before they offered me the job, I had to put Bella down. So I think when she got up there in doggy heaven, she put in a good word for me, because 2 days later, and I was like, oh God, I'm starting off 2025 horribly. I got a gift of employment, and wow, did I luck out where I work. Hell, I would have come up here just to see this. I know, as soon as, Bob's foot's better, Bob will be with us riding. You may have seen him in I think it was one video, the car show video. I went with him, and then my buddy Ken has the hot rod. We went to the Sussex County Fairground. I actually invited him to come today, but he had to work. Getting closer to our destination. I gotta tell you, we're all kind of in amazement of, is that an outhouse? Holy shit, look at that. Easily distracted I am. I think it said we're in Lehigh Township, if I read that correctly, and we're all kind of taken back at the scenery today. I don't think any of us expected that. It's just how beautiful it is up here. And homes. Again, space between homes. Who would think that was a concept people would appreciate? You know, I think I finally, at 51 years old, get why people move to Pennsylvania. And I would move up here. I really want to get back down the shore. I love the shore. I love the smell of the ocean, the sound. I don't even need to live super close to it. It's just, I'm not calling it Portville, I'll tell you that. It's Taylor Ham, and it's Taylor Ham forever, you son of a bitch.
You son of a bitch.
Today, I can't imagine what this place is going to be like. I don't look at the pictures because I want to be surprised, and we've been lucky to, and when I mean we've, more often than not, it's Nico or Ray. I just suggest something every once in a while, but they pick some really good places to go to. What the hell's up with the bars on the window of that place? The sign out front says clam night. I'm like, huh? I'm confused. Passing Henry's pit stop. Henry is not in today. Man, this is... See, look at how awesome this house is, right? Brick, 2 garages. Good God, man, this is insanity. I can't believe how nice it is up here. And we came down 46. 46 coming down here to get over into PA. It's very nice. It's a nice ride in itself. You pass Johnny's, you can get a dog. When you cross over into PA, you ride about 15-20 minutes. You could go to Joe Bosco Barbecue, or right next door, another really cool place, Sango Kura. They're their own sake brewery, the only one in PA, and they make ramen noodles, but they make it pho style. Holy crap, was it good. I got the curry broth. Oh my God, was it so good. I know that place, man. When it's really cold and I want soup, I'll take the damn Subaru and go. You know, I'd rather it be a Ford Ranger Raptor, but, you know. It's a stick shift cross track. Because I had to buy during COVID. I just seen a Charger. I'm really hoping that's a General Lee. Come on, Nico, get in that left lane. Let's go chase that Charger. Big Sheila likes the boogie, boys. Get a look at this. That's what the hell I'm talking about. It's red. Yeah, son. They're probably like, why the hell is he going so fast? We're getting off in Parryville, so I'm guessing we're close because it's in Parryville. Jesus, it's right here. How convenient is that? Well, that makes things easy, doesn't it? Come on, Gricos, what you do?
places. Thanks. Ella's missing the fuck out.
Right?
Shit. All I need is a hammer right between these two trees.
I'm not doing that. My luck, I'll break my friggin' hand.
I'm full just looking at it. Thank you.
Alright, so we're leaving Sirens Brewing in Parryville, PA. And let's just get this out of the way. My God, that is the best cheeseburger I've ever had in my entire friggin' life. You know, Sarah Street Station in PA, I was like, this is by far the best cheeseburger I've ever had. This one just spanked it and made it its bitch. And the other one was fantastic too. This one, so yeah, bacon, beer cheeseburger. Oh my God, was it good. And then we had, they brew their own beer there. We had this pink grapefruit shandy, the bomb. We didn't have to wait a long time for stuff. It was reasonable with the crowd they had, and Nico had brisket on his burger. I thought he was gonna have the meat sweats. Ray got these brisket tacos first bite. He's like, oh my God, that's good. So I don't know what the hell's going on. All the three places we went to, man, if I was giving this a letter grade, it'd be an A+ too. Hell, I might even give this place an A++. It's that good. Get the damn bacon cheeseburger. I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. Oh my God, it's so good. And they're half-pound burgers. And the prices are very reasonable. The bartender was also our waitress. She was cool as hell. Like, I can't just say enough good things about Moby's, Piccalilli, and then this place. Hell, and Sarah Street Station was good too. And they have sushi there they make. That looked like it was the bomb. But yeah, if you're up here by Parryville, you gotta come here. You absolutely have to come here. It was that good. If you made it this far, I am a very full Gears of Snore. Drop my videos 3 p.m.-ish Friday and noonish Sunday. I thank you for coming along for the ride, and I hope you'll be back for another one.